Hi everybody, this is the Planet Earth here. There's a tornado outbreak happening here in eastern Pennsylvania and into New Jersey now, near Trenton, Doylestown, Lambertville, Stockton, Newtown, Grant. These areas here, Dublin. There is a hook. It's a weak hook, but there is a hook nonetheless, and it's possible they could spin up a tornado at any moment in Dublin and in Doylestown area and anywhere in between. It is possible that there could be an isolated tornado in this storm. We got the classic hook set up just like yesterday. We do have a hook there, so if there's a hook, there's probably a tornado. They just issued another severe thunderstorm warning for what looks like East Stroudsburg, Bangor, and Lake Mohawk, and right now, actually, there was just a tornado near Hope Batcong yesterday, Stanford or something like that, and there was a tornado right here yesterday, and now they're going through a severe thunderstorm. Let's check to see if there's any rotation in any of these storms. There is some moderate rotation near the Dublin Doylestown storm. Anyone near in Stockton and Lambertville and Newton and maybe even to Pennington and Ewing, Lawrenceville, Hightstown, Allentown, New Jersey. Need to be careful as that storm heads east. And then another tornado warning for Hazleton, Pennsylvania. And I think that's still PA. Yeah, that's still PA. There's still a tornado warning, but you can't really make out the storm because of the mountains. So it's kind of hard to make out these storms because of the mountains. Now on this side of the radar, you can definitely tell that there is some pretty strong rotation in these storms. And over here on this side, this one gives me a really good one. Oh yeah, there's definitely rotation on that storm. There is extreme rotation on that storm, and there is some mild to moderate rotation in that storm. There is some rotation now happening in the storm near East Stroudsburg, Pennsylvania. And there is some pretty strong rotation right there. Where is that? North of Allentown near Jim Thorpe, and between Jim Thorpe and Whitehaven. There is some definite rotation in that storm. That storm could turn tornadic. Let's see how North Jersey is doing. So far, so good, but not for long. And there's going to be a lot of wind and rain. Let's see if we got some 60-mile winds. Yeah, 60-mile winds. Okay, and there's even a little bit of hail. And this one is now starting to rotate decently. Let's just check. Oh yeah, there's some pretty decent rotation there. So definitely that's a hail core. There's probably hail in that storm. We have a lot of severe thunderstorms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Looks like 16 of them. And we still got high wind in this storm system behind all these tornado warnings in the front. So, wow. And let's go to KDIX, and they're still now it's starting to rotate pretty decently. So there's still going to be a tornado warning on that one. And there is some mild rotation in that storm. Okay, Hazleton. Okay, let's go to this one. And let's see if there's any rotation on this storm. There is some slight rotation on that storm now. There is definitely still rotation in this storm right here. I don't know if they're going to issue a tornado warning for Broadheadsville, but that's not too far from New Jersey. This one is definitely almost in New Jersey and is producing a tornado warning storm. Hopefully it dies out, but there is the possibility of a tornado in that storm. Hopefully not. I don't see a tight wound, but it's possible. Hopefully not, though. Alright, looks like we're getting a little bit less tornado warning action now. Now we only have 1, 2, 3, and 4 tornado warning storms. Carbondale and then Birmingham. Okay. According to this, it looks like just some wind, and there is some slight rotation. It's mild. Let's go ahead and put some storm. No, yeah. Lightning, and then also storm tracks. Alright, so according to the storm tracks, some of these storms are rotating. It's picking up a lot of rotating signatures on this storm. That one's rotating. Yeah, it's got a little bit of rotation on that storm, the one I was talking about. And of course, this one has a little bit of rotation. This one is starting to get a little bit more organized. And when you start seeing purples near that radar system, then that means there's probably some circulation going on in this storm. So Dublin, Doylestown, definitely be careful out there. Also Scranton, near Scranton, Pennsylvania. I was talking about that earlier. They have to watch out too. That one's kind of starting to turn tornadic. That one could be tornadic, but it don't look really like it. You can't tell because of the mountains. This one is starting to become rotationary, but not enough to trigger a tornado warning. So we'll see what's going on in the next few minutes, guys. I'll upload this video and I'll let you guys know about what's about to hit New York. But regardless, even if these are not tornadic, there's still going to be some high winds and some small hail hitting northern New Jersey, which is just impressive to me.